Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Mazda 6 front bumper. First, ensure you have all the right tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Safety is key, so lift the front of your car using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Removing the front wheels will give you much better access to the fender liner, making the next steps much simpler. Let's get started. Now, let's start detaching the bumper. You'll find several 10mm bolts underneath the bumper and inside the wheel wells. Remove these carefully. Next, use your trim removal tool to gently pry out the plastic clips holding the bumper to the grille and fender liners. If your Mazda 6 has fog lights, remember to disconnect their wiring harnesses before fully removing the bumper. Take your time with each fastener to avoid damage. With all fasteners removed, you can now carefully pull the old bumper away from the car. It should release from the side clips with a gentle tug. Now, take your new front bumper and carefully position it, making sure all the mounting points align perfectly. Reattach all the bolts and plastic clips in the reverse order you removed them. Double-check everything to ensure a secure and snug fit for your new bumper. After installation, it's crucial to perform a few final checks. Make sure all connections are tight and that your new bumper sits flush with the rest of the car's body. Test all your lights, especially the fog lights, to confirm they are working correctly before you hit the road. And hey, while you're working hard, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.